This is the Train Domain's weekly tips and tricks video. This week's tip is reformatting data using flash fill in Excel. Prior to the 2013 version of Excel, you had to use formulas to reformat large sets of data. The 2013 and later versions of Excel have a feature called flash fill. The application looks for patterns between what is currently on the spreadsheet and what you are entering, and it will automatically suggest how the rest of the data should be filled. Make sure the feature is enabled by clicking File, then Options. In the Excel Options window, click Advanced. Make sure the Automatically Flash Fill option has been checkmarked and click OK to close the window. In our example, the spreadsheet contains each salesperson's full name in all caps. If you need a column with the salesperson's name displayed as the last name, comma, first name, start typing the pattern you would like to see in the first cell. Press Enter to navigate to the next cell. Start typing in the pattern again with the next salesperson's name. When the suggestion appears, click Enter on the keyboard to accept the changes. In the last name field, start typing the pattern in the first cell, which is only the salesperson's last name. Repeat the pattern in cell E3. When the flash fill suggestion appears, click Enter to accept them. Our sample spreadsheet displays an order ID as only having 4 digits. If the order ID should be reformatted so that each number starts with a 2, 4 dash, you can enter that pattern in the appropriate column. In the first cell, enter 2, 4 dash. Then enter the data found in cell H2. Click Enter to navigate to cell I3. Start entering the same pattern. When the suggested data appears, click Enter to accept the changes. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more tips and tricks videos from the Train Domain.